Every day, hundreds of patients at the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta are hoping for a cure. They are wishing they weren't sick or injured. They are dreaming of a day when they don't have to have any more tests or undergo any other surgeries. As many of you may know, I was a patient at the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta in 1999. I can proudly say I was one of the children whose life was changed at this hospital. I was 12 years old and diagnosed with ganglioneuroblastoma. You can only imagine how overwhelming it was when we heard the doctor say ganglioneuroblastoma. I thought to myself immediately, am I supposed to survive this? While the outcome of my life was questionable, I knew without a doubt I was surrounded by the most talented doctors in the country and an amazing supportive family. Out of all of my experiences at doctors' offices and hospitals, at the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, I felt safe, comforted, and not just another sick kid. My experience was a blessing and taught me that it's not only important to live your life, but share it with everyone you can. I was 12 years old, and I knew deep down, one day, I would work with this organization and thank them for everything they did for me and my family. As the years have passed, I've never forgotten the teacher at the hospital that was responsible for helping me stay in school and not fail the 7th grade, or the nurses that smiled for a camera snapshot as I followed them around the floor. They made a difference in my life, whether they know it today or not. Many of my friends snicker at me when I say it's the little things, but every day, one small act of kindness can change someone's day. The month that we found out that I was cancer-free was actually the month that we found out that my father had cancer. It was not only the first time, but the second time that our family would endure this hardship of cancer. I am a strong believer of paying it forward. And even when the times get tough, focusing on the positive will lighten any situation. Prior to my father's passing, I made a promise to him that I would continue to carry on his legacy of sharing the gift of love with our community and our friends and family. As cliche as it may be, words can't even begin to describe the way I feel. My dreams are coming true, and I'm sharing my fairy tale with a remarkable man that I get to call my best friend. I never imagined that I would be living this. That I'd have the opportunity to walk down the aisle and to share my happiness with all of my friends and family. I can say this is possible because of my faith, family, and the doctors and staff at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
Alayne and I have been very fortunate in life to have great friends, family, and our faith. And that's all come true because of the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
In lieu of gifts, we ask that you commemorate our wedding by donating to the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta and help someone else's fairy tale come true.
Instead of taking time out of your day to look for registered gifts, we've made it really easy. You can click the link below and donate to the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
We truly believe that together with the community and our family and friends, we can make a difference for the children of the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
Thank you very much.